but at the particular nations they have been divided. So those words, a little change may be there in some parts of the words, in the letters of the words, with the spelling, with the pronunciation, with the vocabulary and grammar. So you can also often see with the slight difference between these British and American English, with the having of these spellings over there. So for those spellings also you can identify with those spellings how far we can see with the respective of the words that are there, or color. So the words we can see the words differentiation with the little change of the spelling and words which are being given in there. Then you can see the observation of the changing in that. Color is the word, and the label. Then check. Then you can see color, label, and this check. So you observe from these two lines there. See where instead of you are using with the spelling, you can see there, instead in the spellings of the words there. So you can see that there is a small change in the having of the spelling, pronunciation, vocabulary and grammar there. You can identify the little change of the words there, here U and CHE QU, and this you can identify there with the words of these. So a slight change that occurs instead of these. Most of the noticeable difference between this British and American language is your vocabulary. Then it comes a small change that occurs in the Americans use the different words to refer the same thing. What the British call sofa, what the British call sofa there, what the British call sofa, and the Americans are different words to refer the same meaning, what the British call as. So you can see the British and the Americans are different. These use different words to refer the same meaning. What the British call sofa, Americans called coach there. So British people they call for the words of the sitting sofa, and Americans are going to call for that sitting of the place is coach there. So you can see you can have the small changes in the usage of the words there. Americans call coach, and British language in that you can call as sofa. What is pavement in British English is, that is sidewalk. Then you can see pavement in British English, you can see that is sidewalk. You can say pavement is given as in the British language, and in the American language you can see as the sidewalk there. So you can see here pavement, PAVENT, this is the pavement in British language, and you can see as sidewalk that can be seen in American language. For these two things you can see. And British also call this sofa for the sitting, and these American they call as coach. So you can have the words, the different words where you are going to use this British language and Americans language there. And this the pavement, you can see the word, one more word, sidewalk, and for that sitting is also coach there. And like this the words are being said so on. On the other hand, the same word has different meanings in different of two languages. So British and English language, you can see the boot in British language is trunk of a car. So you can have the meaning of boot is, the meaning of boot in the British language you can say as the trunk of a car. So this is also one of the example that has been given. While the American English it is called as footwear or coach. So that is the footwear you can give. Coach in British English is a bus, and in American English it is itself you can see as a person who manages sports team. So a person who manages sports team, that coach is there. So you can have the observation of this sports team for this boot. First of all you can see boot in British English meaning you can see as the trunk of a car, while in American English it is made as the footwear there. So that two differences you got here, footwear and boot. And this is also one of the two words that are going to be taken. And a coach is in a British language bus, you can see as a coach there. So for this coach also, when you come to these sportsmen, so sports, when you come to American English, that means a person who manages the sports team. So that itself you can have to know how they are the words are going to be managed apart from these two different words with the examples. In British, in a bus, and in American it means a person who manages a sports team. In the first floor that you can see as in British is the floor above the ground floor, and in American English it is the ground floor. So above the ground floor and the ground floor, above the ground floor, the ground floor you can say for this as the ground floor. So this is BL and this is AL where you can call. So you can see these some part of the examples that can differentiate the vocabulary of understanding of the two words with a slight change of the meaning where they are going to introduce in between of the things there. So now we can see some of the words there. So how these words are going to be changed with reference to the having of the terminology that can be fall into languages there. So you can have better by the having of the words, with the having of the seeing of the language, with the spelling and the differentiation of the meaning that may generally occur in these British and American language there. So for the each word we are going to see with the twice, so that you can have the differentiation between the British and American language of the words that are being fallen here. So here are the some words you can have that they have the thing will be the same. The understanding of the thing which we are going to give, the thing will be the same, and you can see the different form of the words where they are going to use in these British language and American language. So some words you can point out, and we are going to spell with those words that are being taken with the giving of some examples there. And what are they that you can see with the first example as first of all we will be taking of the British language of the word, then we are going to take of our word as American English there. So there at that time you can see what is the word over there. The first word in the British language, autumn, is there. So for that same autumn in the American language they are going to call with the word of fall there. So autumn, now you can see that this is a season, and when it comes to our the Indian English also you can call this as autumn season. And that is the word when it is repeated in American English, you can see with the differentiation of the complete word, that is fall, F-A-L-L. Then biscuit, and this cookie there. So for that British language, biscuit is there, and in American language you can call that biscuit as a cookie. Biscuit and cookie. So I'll call twice of the word. First word is spelled with B, British language, and the second word is spelled with American language. Then this cash point. Cash point in American language that can be compared with ATM there. So cash point, ATM. Chemist, drugstore. Chemist, drugstore. Crossroads, intersection. Crossroads, intersection. Curtains, drapes. Curtains, drapes. Dustbin, trash can. So dustbin and a trash can. Flat is there, apartment is there. Flat is there, apartment. Fly over, overpass, overpass. Football, soccer. Football, soccer. Full stop, period. Full stop, period. Handbag, purse. Handbag, purse. Holidays, vacation. Holidays, vacation. Lift, elevator. Lift, elevator. Lorry, truck. Lorry and truck. Luggage, baggage. Luggage, baggage. Mobile phone, cell phone. Mobile phone, cell phone. Petrol, gasoline. Petrol, gasoline. Photo, picture. Photo, picture. Post, mail. Post, mail. Queue, line. Queue, line. Staff, faculty. Staff, faculty. Tap, faucet. Tap, faucet. Taxi, cab. Taxi, cab. Term, semester. Term, semester. Timetable, schedule. Timetable, schedule. Toilet, restroom. Toilet, restroom. Torchlight, flashlight. Torchlight, flashlight. Trousers, pants. Trousers, pants. Wardrobe, closet. Wardrobe, closet. So these are the words where you can have the vocabulary of the words that are going to be occurred with a change of the words when they are going to compare with these British language and American language. So such words can be helpful for us, having of the work of the same thing over there, but they are going to differentiate with the words with the having of the complete changing of the words that are going to be pronounced and has to be seen in a different way, and so on. If they are going to, but the meaning will be the same which has been given to these holidays and vacation and the lift and elevator. So the work of the object is the same, but they are going to spell in the different language of the words by the usage of these words which are being taken from these two languages there. So the meaning will be the same, and the reference will be given to the same thing, to the meaning of the word that has been spelt in these one of the languages there. So what itself only, the nations are divided, but the language is equally given prior importance to this English speaking only, so that you can have the understanding of the words that are being divided in between two languages. You can see mostly. So for these vocabulary of these British and American English, you can have to have some exercises on these, so that you can fill with the replacing of these British language words with American language words. Then as long as that, then you can also once see what is totally about these vocabulary and the grammar that is being taken with a small little change of the spellings, pronunciations and the vocabulary that can be understood for you. So this can be again taken in the having of your sort of practice with the doing of some of the replacing of the words which is relevant to these British language and American language. So you can put in some of the replacing of exercises where those can be appropriately done perfectly to understand where the words are being added to the vocabulary, and can be noticed for you that there exists a small little change of the differences where these spellings and pronunciation of the vocabulary can be understood betterly, so that its improvement can be seen by the understanding of these words when it is being taken into our exercise. So in these having of the vocabulary words, you can also have the replacement of these American words with the British English words, and the British English words with the American words, with the some of the exercises that can be given followed in the sentences of the exercises, while we are going to calculate them in the next session, so that you can understood what will be the replacing of the word with those utilized words of the British language and the American language. So this is all of our today's session. We shall see the continuation of the exercises of these words in one more session with the following exercises that are being given from our syllabus. Thank you. We'll continue. ఏముంది ఇంకా అది ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి